This movie will take you through the steps to import drill holes into the empty drawing. Typically what you'd start with is a contour map, a piece of topography like so, and a spreadsheet file that contains the geological information. Here's an example spreadsheet that contains drill hole, XYZ, strata and beds, whether it's key or non-key, that's ore or waste, some depths and also type of hole. And then we have quality attributes in a second spreadsheet, and we'll bring those in as a second file. Should be saved as a CSV, comma separated value, ASCII text file. Back to CAD, and the first step in CAD would be to define your drill hole configuration file. We'll make a new one. And let's first define the two different types of drill holes. We have core hole, and let's choose a symbol. Core hole symbol would be, say, something like 34. Give it a size, this is diameter, and then the next hole is just a rotary exploration hole. We'll do the same size and choose a different symbol. Say number 5. We'll put them on different AutoCAD layers or CAD layers. Maybe give them a different color. And we'll call this drill hole core and drill hole rotary. And then your key strata density is defaulted here if it's not defined anywhere else. You can use an external database, and we can ignore the whole left side of the screen if you want to place drill holes from paper logs. These are items you would be prompted for, but since we're coming straight from the spreadsheet, this will be ignored at all cost here. So save that and go import. Drill hole imports. Slides over to drill hole import. We'll choose the custom import formatter that will custom match most any formats you have. Separate drill hole and strata files? No, it's all in one CSV file. And grab the Drillhole CSV. Now the process here is to match the preview window down below in order with what's used in the right hand side. So the first one's drill hole name, then we have northing, easting, surface elevation, and then we have strata name, bed name, strata key, non-key, again that determines if it's ore or waste, top depth and bottom depth, so strata top depth and bottom depth. Make sure you didn't grab elevations by mistake. The top depth, bottom depth, those are the from and tos. And the last one then is drill hole type. There it is. Add that one over. We're going to skip the first header line, which is just column headers. It is a comma delimited file. Make sure you don't have commas in your eastings and northings. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Imported 90 drill holes, it says. And there they are. 2 different colors, 2 different layers. And let's take a look at one of these core holes. Just do a quick double click on the side of the hole and up pops the edit drill hole screen. You can just make sure that the strata names and bed names are correct, the depths are fine, elevations are there, thicknesses are all in line. Alright, step 2 then will be to import the qualities, the attributes. We need to predefine those first if they're non-numeric, and we did have one that was color, so I'm going to go to define attributes. And let's just take a look at the file here. We do have this one called color, and it's a text string. It's not a numeric value, so that has to be predefined as text, otherwise it won't come in correctly. The rest of them, they are all values, and we'll just do numeric average by volume on the rest of those. Go ahead and save that. Call it define attributes. Now we're ready to import qualities, and it's the same place in the menu. Go to drill hole, import export drill holes, slide over to import qualities. Select drill holes to update. Just do a window and grab all 90 holes. This time we're going to choose the drill holes quality attributes file. And let's see, it's the same procedure. You look at the preview down below, drill hole, top depth, bottom depth, moisture, ash, specific gravity, BTU, sulfur, color. So they're all there in order, and if there was one that was missing, you would just hit the add attribute and you would put in something like date drilled or something to that effect. I'll just cancel, but that's how you add your user defined attributes. Again, we'll skip the first row, and it's a comma delimited file. Hit OK. Okay, it added 186 quality values. Let's take a look at one of the core holes. Double click on it. There's the C4, and notice now in the quality column it says yes, it does have quality, and there are the values brought in correctly. Just make sure they're lined up properly. The BTU looks right, color is gray on that seam. Hit return, save that drill hole. One more thing to look at for viewing the entire drill hole set as one entity is the drill hole data sheet. Select all the holes, and there we have every single drill hole listed up top, its structure down below, and if there's quality, it shows up down the lower right over there. Lower right side over here shows the quality. Update, if you made any changes, you could say yes or no, but we didn't change them. Go ahead and save the drawing, and this completes the import drill hole movie. Thank you.